Good morning everyone, and welcome to this live market analysis brought to you by MarketMindsMastery. So, how is everyone doing today? If you want, you can definitely use the chat below and let me know if you guys are doing okay. And happy Easter to those who are celebrating Easter, of course. And yeah, if you have any questions, please ensure you put them on the chat below for those who are watching us live, or for you guys going to watch it later on the YouTube channel. If you have any kind of questions about the market analysis, about the currency pairs, the indices, cryptocurrencies, just either contact me or use the comments to put your question. So let's start with the Australian dollar against the US dollar. This is the 4-hour time frame, and the market start just 1 second. That was the order block we were looking to take trades after this bearish candle occurred. The bearish Marabozo trade was here, not anymore looking to take trades from this area because it has been tested and we want to only take the first trade. Okay guys, so what do we wait to see next? Well, the first is the valid swing high to be taken out, and then to look for trades above this one, or if the price will move to the downside, will create some kind of inefficiency, some kind of candles like this, we're gonna definitely be looking to take some trades. However, down at the bottom here, there are many sell stop orders that are using as a stop loss orders by the traders who bought at the bottom here or at this point a bit higher. All the buyers in this market, they use this low to put their stop losses, and a stop loss order when you buy, it's a sell stop order in the market. So imagine the price excuse me, if the price drops down and enter into this S2 weekly low, what can possibly happen is the market will activate a bunch of sell stop orders and it's going to drive the price to decline. Also, traders that they're going to be looking to go short from this low here, they're going to enter with sell orders. So it's going to create a lot of volatility to the downside. Now, what will be the significant? The significant is to see the buyers stepping in and reverse this move here with a kind of hammer or a long lower wick candle, pin bar, bullish pin bar, to give us a clue that this market it's gonna mainly shift. So until that happens, we are still on the sidelines as well. All right, so the area I will be looking to go long, it's going to be this one here. The area to go long is this one here, but again, if the price it's going to do anything else, we will see it on the chart and we will trade accordingly. Any questions about the Australian dollar, US dollar so far? No. Next one on the list, the euro against the US dollar. Euro was one of the weakest currency last week. The price created lower lows, a bit of divergence here, not very clear, but they are present. The price action is not any kind of price action that it screams out to take trades, to be honest. So maybe this area here, it has a bit of a gap. This price action here, it played out really well last week, so nothing. This one here, it's not this bullish. It's not something that I will be looking to take long positions. So either price to break under and close under the S1 weekly low, or to move above the R1 resistance, then I will be looking to take some trades. Great British pound against the US dollar, pretty flat market. At this low here, the price reacted last week. At this high here, this bearish engulfing and with a long upper wick tested, I think it was last Thursday, but the market just moved sideways, didn't go anywhere. So pretty flat on this one. If the price breaks above the R2, it's around 1.26800, then definitely all the way to pretty much these areas here around 1.27800. It's a fair amount of pips to be made. If it breaks to the downside, then definitely we're going to look for the first support and then the next one and so on. Any questions from anyone, guys? Also, maybe you have a different opinion, you can let me know, definitely. Let's check the news. As you guys see, today still Easter celebrations, Easter Monday. Only in Japan, Tankan Large Manufacturing Index for the first quarter, expectations from 13 to 10 instead of 10, increased to 11. Kaixin Manufacturer Purchase Manufacturing Index for March in China, the market still above the benchmark of 50, so consider as bullish for the Chinese yuan. In Canada, they will celebrating the Easter Monday, so banks will be closed, minimal activity. And the ISM Manufacturer Purchase Manufacturer Index in the US, about to report it later this afternoon, but looks like that it's going to still stay under the 15, so nothing major in terms of market volatility today is expected. Next one, USDJPY, very flat here. What I would like to tell you guys, it's the weekly price action. Here on the weekly chart, the price made a very small doji candle at the resistance area around the all-time high, just slightly under 152. And if we use the ATR down here, let's point it, just 1 second. So the ATR shows that 267 is the average true range of this USD-JPY pair. The pips, the amount, the pips that this market moved, it was 100 last week, and it's almost 2.5 times less than the average true range. That shows that this doji is very promising, and at resistance with a kind of double top, it might gonna push the price lower. Now we're gonna take it case by case. On the 4-hour time frame, this 4-hour bearish engulfing order block hasn't been filled yet, but what's the What's the important key factor here, guys? The important is that the price is not trending. The price and the market moves sideways. Therefore, it has low probability. It gives low probability setups. This price action setup, we traded extremely well with high probabilities during downtrends, when the price, like the euro US dollar and the Great British Pound US dollar. But when the market moves sideways, it's a little bit difficult to identify and spot high probability trades. Okay, so keep that in mind. If the price breaks under the S1 support, definitely want to be looking to go into this order block. But if the price for any reason breaks above this R1 monthly high, then yeah, of course, we will use it in our advantage, and we're going to try to go long from here. Next one on the list, it's the US oil. US oil, very strong, moving upwards. On the left, there is an area of potential resistance here, around $84. Price makes higher highs and higher lows. This consolidation, it was, let's say at this point here, price accumulated. Now it's the public participation, it's the phase 2. And we expect to see some kind of market weakness approaching this resistance. Now, the important key factor is if the price before tested the resistance to retrace backwards. If it retraces, we're going to definitely use this kind of area here to go long. All right. Gold, but to go short on the oil now, I'm not going to attempt that one. Gold, since the early morning today, yep, it moved upwards. It broke above all the resistance areas we gave in our analysis. So let's see what's going to happen. It's a very strong move that represents the market close. Continues with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles on the 4-hour time frame, which is a significant move, and we don't see this kind of move often in the market without any kind of retracement. Now the RSI entered in an overbought condition. It's still a buyer's market. If you're gonna trade this now on the 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute chart, understand that the boundaries, it's the high here and the low below there, and you try to find some opportunities. But for me, I need to see the sellers entering the market to bring the price at an area, perhaps to fill up this gap here, or this gap down there. So it's going to be case by case now. Bullish on the gold, of course. Next, S&P 500. I think that was interesting on the weekly chart. Yep, the price created an inside candle. Now it made a new high early this morning, and it broke above the previous week's high, but didn't follow through. Let's see if this is going to be if this is going to end up being a false breakout. Okay, yesterday on the analysis we had with some group members last night, it was we spotted this bearish engulfing, and we were interested to start looking for short positions, but the market early morning had very different opinion. That's all right, that's nothing to worry about. We just need to identify this kind of market structure to be able to take trades. Next one, Nasdaq. Also, Nasdaq moved upwards. Let's see if this is gonna be the order block. Now we have a new market structure here. If this, if the price will enter into this order block here, find support, we can check it on the 15-minute chart or hourly time frame to find kind of rejection, and then if it's gonna move upwards, then it's gonna be good. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. DAX 40 still at its all-time high. Some kind of retracement on Thursday on the DAX. Today, sorry, the market is closed. Yep. So the market is closed today. So, or it's something wrong with my data here, because see now it's on Thursday. So we leave the DAX out. And last one for today, guys, it's the Bitcoin. Around 71.3 to 400. The price printed this bearish engulfing candle, decline, move lower. If you are in any kind of trade, if you took this trade, then definitely your first support is down here, 68.366. Okay. If the price declines further, there is a well-established order block on the 4-hour here. Okay. The rest, of course, we're gonna review them tomorrow on our live webinar. So I would like to thank everyone for being here. If you have any questions, please use the chat below, or if you guys, for those that are gonna see it on the YouTube later on today or tomorrow, please, if you have any different opinion or if you want to ask something, you can also comment. Please make sure to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. It helps us. We are here dedicated. It's been 6 months now on a daily basis. We put out this free content to you guys, and just a small thank you is just to like the videos, perhaps to subscribe to the channel. So have a great day, everyone, and I will see you all tomorrow, of course, at the same time. Thank you.